Hello beautiful people, today we are making green herb seasoning packed with fresh herbs and natural spices. It adds a burst of life to every bite. We've got up to 10 different herbs here like curry leaves, rosemary, thyme, ginger and more. Don't worry, I'll leave the full recipe in the description. Start by gently cleaning your herbs. Then blend them roughly in a food processor, mortar, blender until you get your desired texture. Store the mix in an airtight glass jar for longer storage. Freeze it in an ice cube tray. It's perfect for chicken, fish or meat marinades, sauces, stews, you name it. Thanks so much for watching and please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Bye bye.